How to use Rocket Money. First, open Chrome and search for Rocket Money. Click the first link that appears and it will take you to their official site. You can either sign up for a new account or log in. So in this case, since I already have an account, I'll just click log in and continue. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can quickly view your spending trends, account balances, and recent transactions. Everything you need for a quick financial overview. Now here's how the main feature works. First, recurring. Rocket Money finds all your automatic payments like subscriptions and bills, so you can easily review and cancel anything you don't need. Second, spending. It organizes your expenses into categories, like helping you spot where you might be overspending. Third, budgets. You can set monthly spending limits, and Rocket Money will alert you if you're close to going over. Fourth, net worth. This feature adds up what you own and subtracts what you owe, giving you a clear view of your financial health. Fifth, transactions. This tracks all your money movements across your linked accounts, so you always know where your money is going. Sixth, credit score. Rocket Money helps you monitor your credit score and gives you tips to boost it. And that's everything you need to know how to use Rocket Money.